Hello and welcome to another update video about XLM. Yeah, on the smaller time frame, all of the coins are pretty much looking the same. XLM is also currently in a correction. Okay, this correction started in November already, a little earlier than on many other charts, because most charts started in December, but yeah, I mean, they don't all have to start the same day. Essentially, this is a correction which, yeah, I mean, we can make a case that the correction might have completed here on the 3rd of February. That's the same situation that we have on many other cryptocurrency charts as well. We definitely have a healthy correction. The price reacted here to the 38.2 retracement at 28.5 cents, absolutely. And we've seen a bounce, yeah. We've seen a bounce, and this bounce was somehow substantial. Nothing too significant, yeah, because since then we've only been moving sideways. I've added a micro support region, which is located here sort of in the area there between, what is that, 32 to 28. So 32 to 28 cents is support. What we need is a break essentially above this green line, located at 37.5 cents. This is essential because this is the upper boundary of the local range. Lower boundary, I'd say, is 28.2 cents. What we say, if we consider here the structure of the decline as a WXY structure, I have to call it a WXY because the initial decline could be a 3-wave move in wave W, then we have an X wave, and the Y wave down would obviously then follow, and the Y wave, yeah, would again be an ABC structure. And why is this important? Because this move down looks like a 3-wave move. So 3, 3, 3 can't be an ABC, would have to be a WXY. And then here, it didn't quite reach the 100% extension. Now, why do I say that? The 100% extension target is normally an ideal target for such a move down. Basically, wave W and Y have the same length. We nearly got there, didn't quite get there. I mean, it's okay, close enough. I just want to say we haven't quite reached it, so it's a bit short, that Y wave. Could very well be we get another low. I would be prepared for that. This can still morph into all sorts of corrective patterns. Essentially, it's important to understand what is the main support zone. It's here between 22 cents and 28.5 cents. And ideally, we want to see a reaction here and then a rally that might take us to new highs. Okay, it could take a little while. I would prepare for that. It might, you see in yellow here how an extended correction would look like. A wave, so 3 waves in A. Then this might be a B wave. And then we move down in C. And then we could start from there. This would be a, yeah, let's say a more complex correction, or it might morph into a WXYXZ. Very similar way of how this could play out. There are more than 10 different corrective patterns that could apply here. So I'm not going to guess which one it is going to be. And it's also not so important. What really is important is that the bulls turn up before the price breaks below support, which is at 22.2 cents. That's essentially really, really important. Yeah, so what are we watching for now? What are we watching for? I mean, the only thing we can really watch for at the moment is how the price moves in the local range. I can make a case that a low is in, and I can make an argument for it. I just don't have any evidence for it. We get evidence with a break above the green line, but even then it could just be a high B wave. So it will take a while until we can really confirm that a substantial low in wave 4 bottomed. But we can look for higher at the moment, tentatively, as long as the market holds above 28.2 cents. But we need to see some upside momentum. Even this is extremely choppy. I mean, it might even be a triangle, which is why I've placed the B wave here. Of course, it could be something more directly bullish, but that's why I've got the wave 4 down here as well. But in terms of triangle, I mean, it could be A, B, C, D, E. This is obviously too small, really, this wave degree to be really of any predictive value. But this is how a triangle could play out. Yeah, I just want to show you. The B wave is the triangle, and then A, B, C, D, E, and the E wave would complete the triangle. So if we now see a surge above 35 cents, followed by a break above this 37.6 cent level, would be a good indication that at least wave C has started. Maybe something more bullish. But at the moment, we haven't even got a break above that last high, so we have to be a bit patient. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.